Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about absolute coordinate system using this drawing. Okay. So I hope already you know absolute coordinate system because already we are uploading some videos about absolute coordinate system. Still you are not watching. I give the link in the description. Please check it out. So this is our drawing. So here we have the 14 points. See, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have the tabulation. So here we want to fill the values. Okay. So starting point is the first point. I give 0, 0. After that we want to find other points. Okay. So now we start from the point number 2. So this is absolute coordinate system. It means we give only x comma y. So here we give only x value and then y values. So starting point 0, 0. The point number 2, this point, x-axis is moved up to 60. So I give x-axis value is 60 and then y-axis value is 0. Point number 3, y-axis only moving, x-axis is not moved. So x-axis, which one you are used in the previous, so same point we go to use. So we give 60. Next, the y-axis value is 20 added. So it means 0 plus 20 we get 20. Point number 4, it's going little inclined. So we know the x-axis value because here value is 20. So it means, so this point value is 20. So already we have the value 60. So 60 minus 20, 40. Why I take minus means, see, already we have the 60. We are here, this place. We want to back. We want to move to from left side. It means we want to reduce the 20 value from previous point. Otherwise we want to calculate from the 0. So 0 to here 40. That's why. Next, the y-axis value, this middle of this drawing. Y-axis is the middle. So middle means 20 plus 10. 30 is the middle. So here I go to take as a 30. Whenever the line is coming inclined, so we want to change x-axis value and also y-axis value. Now point number 5, same like the previous one. Here we go to change x-axis value and also y-axis value. In point number 5, the x-axis value is 60. Then the y-axis value, see here we have that the total value is 40. Point number 6, x-axis value as usual only 60. But the y-axis value also here 60 because the total 20, 20, 20, 60. Next point number 7. So y-axis not changed, so as usual 60 only. But that x-axis 25 we want to reduce. Already we have 60. So 60 minus 25. So our value is 35. Then point number 8. So point number 8 like an inclined value. So we want to change x-axis value, same time y-axis value also. So x-axis value is the middle. So total is 60, the middle is 30. And y-axis value 40 because see 20 plus 20, 40 is y-axis value. Then point number 9, here also inclined line. So here also we want to give the value for x-axis and also y-axis. Point number 9, the y-axis is 60 and x-axis 25 because here 25 means same, here also 25, so I give 25. Then point number 10, x-axis is 0, y-axis is same 60. Then point number 11, x-axis 0, y-axis 40. Point number 12, now is inclined line. We want to give both the values. So x-axis is 20 and y-axis is the middle. It means 30. Point number 13 is also inclined line. We want to give both values. I did one mistake because here x-axis also 30 because this place, no, this height. So now we go to take point number 12. The point number 12, the x-axis is 20. See, up to move up to here. So x-axis is 20, y-axis is, this height is, the middle means 30. Then again, point number 13, x-axis is 0, y-axis is 20. Then point number 14 is similar for point number 1, so we give 0, 0. So this is our absolute coordinate system values. Maybe you are thinking here we are giving some angles and some extra dimensions. These all are we using for another coordinate systems. Okay. So in this video we are discussing only absolute coordinate system. Upcoming videos we are using the same drawing. We go to find out the points. So now we open the AutoCAD software and then we enter this value and then check it out how the figure is coming in AutoCAD. So before going AutoCAD, just I go to take a screenshot. It's easy to enter. So now I open the AutoCAD. I go to take it new sheet. I think you know very well, every new sheet we want to give the basic commands. I go to switch off the grid. Then I give the units. For me, my unit is millimeter only. In case your unit is different, please change to millimeter. Next, I go to give the limits. Limits I give 210, 297. Then I am using zoom. Now we go to use the line command. Before using the line, I go to paste where I was copy from the Excel sheet. Okay. So I like to make it little bit smaller. Just I select the corners and then make it smaller. Okay. Done. So now I go to enter the L for line. So first point is 0, 0. Enter. So this is our 0, 0. So next point is 60, 0. Okay, this is my next point. See. Okay. Because here point is there. Huh? Then point number 3, 60, 20. Then point number 4, 40, 30. Then point number 5, 60, 40. Point number 6, 60, 60. Little bit I move it the image from near to the drawing. In case you are come out from the command, line command, just you press again, you go to the same point, just you press L and enter, and again you give enter, it's automatically going to the previous point. Okay. So up to now we completed 6 point. Now I go to enter the 7th point. The value is 35, 60. And 8th point 30, 40. And 9th point 25, 60. And 10th point 0, 60. And 11th point 0, 40. And 12th point 20, 30. And 13th point 0, 20. And the last point you press 0 or C. 0, 0 or C. I give 0, 0 and enter. So this is our drawing. If you want to increase the line thickness, you select all lines, go to here. Here we have the option for line thickness. Move it here, we have some various thickness. I go to select 0.5. Okay, this is not visible. Here we want to switch on the show and hide the line weight. So I go to switch on. Now I get the thickness of line. So just go to save it. I hope you are enjoying this video and also you learn little bit about absolute coordinate system. We will meet you in next video. Thank you.